Hi there, I'm a videographer and a content creator, and this is my review of the Godox S60 LED light. I bought the light with my own money and I will tell you my own unbiased opinion about this light. Let's get straight into it. This is a specific light, so if you want to use it for general purpose like ambient light or with a softbox, you can do it with some limitations. The light has an internal lens that helps you focus the light just like you see it on opera singers. So this is why it's a more specific light, and I use it mainly for wedding and product photography to put a nice light onto the subjects, separating them from the background or environment. The light comes in a simple box padded with some foam, where we have the light itself, the power supply, some cables, and the good quality barn doors. What I like about the packaging is that the cables fit into the box after usage if you do not use the little box that they came in, but I would like a padded bag or a case instead of the cardboard box for transporting. The light fixture is good quality, made out entirely of metal, but more important, the light quality that comes out of it is Hollywood grade, good TLCI, good CRI. On the front of the light you can see the lens and the COB, and the mount where we can put some accessories for shaping the light, the barn doors that came in the box, or a projector for even more focus or perfectly round beam. The projector has its own accessories for even more funky stuff like gobos and diaphragms. Beside the projector, we can put on the light some other accessories like softboxes and other modifiers, but maybe we need some adapters to do that. On the back, you can see a little knob where you can adjust the focus of the beam or where you can adjust the size of the beam, and the jack for the combo cable. On the power supply, you have the power button, you have a menu button, an effects button, and the button for turning on and off the cooler, which by the way it is really silent. The big knob is used for adjusting the luminosity of the light and for navigating into menus. Also, this light has an input for DMX controllers, and you can chain multiple lights for DMX control. The yellow input is for the cable going to the wall socket. It has a really nice way of connecting it. Also, it is really nice that you can control the light remotely from your phone via a Bluetooth connection. What is nice about this power supply, and it's one of the main reasons I purchased the light, is that I can use it with a V-mount battery, and compared with its little brother, the Godox S60, you can use the light at maximum power on battery. And this leads to the way I use it. I use it on weddings without the wall socket, with the V-mount battery. I use one or two lights mounted as diagonal, one for a background light and one for a front or fill light focused on the bride or groom, leaving the crowd and background dark. I control the lights with my phone via the app. The luminosity output of the light is sufficient even for larger churches, rooms or halls. Also, I use it for product photography, mainly to focus the light on the product and leave the background dark or create different effects. The size of the light is somewhere in the middle, but one light fits into my backpack with other gear too. I really recommend this light if you are in the market for a spotlight and you have a clear idea on what would you use it for. If you like this video, don't forget to push that like and subscribe button, it helps a lot. See ya in the next one, local people.